This is Anki. It is a free app similar to flashcards designed to keep the user tested on those topics or cards that they're less familiar with by having those cards show up more often and so can be reviewed more regularly. This concept is called spaced repetition. Anki can be used for some pretty random topics, but it can also be used for educational ones like the MCAT, the bar exam, language learning. Anki can help you study for so many different topics that of course it's got to have lots of formatting options available. So much so that it could possibly cause the dreaded analysis paralysis, where instead of starting, you just don't. From learning to traveling adventures, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the little bell icon to be notified when I upload a video every Wednesday. Hey friends, so now that you've heard of Anki and you want to start using it, let's get to it. Because in my opinion, the most difficult part about starting something new is starting. So this is going to be a very low barrier to entry video so that we can get you just using the app already. We're not going to worry about the web app or the computer downloads available on Mac and Windows, also free. We're just going to focus on 5 simple tasks for the mobile version of the app, which are downloading the app, signing up, creating a deck, creating a card, and reviewing the cards you've made.
It's a piece of cake.
Step 1, navigate to the Play Store or App Store if you've got an iPhone, search Anki, and click install. And actually, I'm just going to put both of those links to the iOS version of the app and the Android version of the app in the description below, so it's even less work. Next, there's a sign up link at the bottom of the screen when you first open the app. Enter the email twice and a password and tap the sign up button. Good job, we're like almost done. A deck is a grouping of the cards you'll be creating. Tap the plus button on the home screen of the app and select Create Deck. Name it and click OK. Step 4, much like creating a deck, we're going to tap on that plus button on the screen, but this time Create Note. Select Basic and Inverted as the card type. Type the word you'd like to practice and its translation. It doesn't really matter here which order you put your translations in because the basic and inverted card type creates 2 cards, A to B and B to A. And lastly, in that main menu, tap on the name of the deck and start studying. Tap to reveal the answer on the back of a card and select which level of difficulty you had recalling the answer. Excellent, so now you're ready to fly on your own. I've got a couple more things to note. There are a lot of cool options when creating a card, like the ability to add audio or images. If you click on the plus button and select Add Shared Decks, you'll be redirected to a library of decks of cards that other people have created and are free to add to your own library. However, personally, I do stick to my own deck because the cards that I create are of words and phrases that I've run into in my lessons or readings or whatever show I'm watching. In the settings, there are gestures that can be configured for Anki, like swipe left, swipe right, etc. I did this so that I could quickly select what level of difficulty I had recalling an answer, but there are lots of other actions available to associate with a gesture. For example, there's quick card editing or undoing the previous response. For example, if you accidentally said that the previous answer was really easy to recall, but it actually wasn't, quick undo. The last thing that I've done that I'll mention is that I've removed TikTok shortcuts from the main pages of my screen and made Anki a little bit easier to get to. Wild, I know. With the gestures that I've configured, this means that I still get to swipe, but also I get to learn a little bit more of my target language. And TikTok's still there when I really want to enjoy it. If you're interested in language learning, make sure to check out this video on Pimsleur I did after 75 hours of Spanish lessons. And thanks for watching, and make sure to smash the like button, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next week. Bye! You'll be deep in...
I'm just checking Instagram.